This is a heel. This is not for rookies. This is a heel.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a thrifted heel collection video. So I've been thrifting for a little over a year now. It's become one of my favorite hobbies. I go thrifting at least once, maybe twice a week. My mom loves it. She's addicted to it. So I have been collecting heels for over the past year. A lot of these heels that I'm looking at right now are more recent, but I'm going to show you guys all of the heels that I have thrifted thus far in my journey. I'm pretty sure I will thrift more as time goes on, but this is what I have as of right now. If you're interested in seeing my little collection, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Share this video to your friends, family, and whoever you feel like will be interested. And yeah, we're gonna get into this video right now. I have a total of 5 pair of heels. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull them off and we're just gonna go. This is the first pair. This is recent. I got these within the month. Like I got these maybe like 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, but I got these. They're thrifted. I don't have the tag, but I do want to say this. A lot of these heels that I have purchased have been under $10. Some have been under $5. So I'm gonna try to remember the prices, but yeah. So I got these from the thrift. I think these were definitely under $10. I think they were $5. These are so cute. The brand is Cape Robin. I'm not to see the brand, but this is what they look like. They're really cute. They're really different. They have like this suede material, like this velvet. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like this velvet material. It has gold detailing. It's very different, very cute. This is a heel, boo. This heel, it's a heel. My mom seen them and she was like, look at these heels. I didn't even see them, she seen them. And my mother does not like to wear heels, so when she sees heels, she usually shows them to me. And she was like, look at them. She was like, they're like $5. You gotta get them. And I was like, okay, cool. So I got them. These are them. I cannot wait to wear them. I do kind of have an outfit already in mind that I want to wear. So I cannot wait to wear these out. But yeah, this is them. And they are a size 10. They actually are a size 10, which is perfect because that's the size I like to get my heels in. I do wear a size 8.5 or 9 because I do have a pair of heels that's an 8.5 and they fit. But if I can get my heels bigger, I try to get them bigger so that my feet, if they ever slide up, they're not like over the heel or hanging off the back. So I like to give myself a little bit of room in heels. But yeah, this is them. These are cute. Like, these are real cute. So the next pair of heels, I got these from the thrift. I think I paid, I want to say 50% off because the thrift that I went to, this is from Unique Thrift, and they have 3 colors on the board. One color is 25%, one color is 50%, and one color is 75%. I do want to say I think these were, the tag says $12.99. They are a size 10. The tag says $12.99, but I know I didn't pay $12.99 for these. I think they were 50% off, so $12.99, 50% off is what, like $6.50. Yeah, because they're 13, yeah, like $6.50. And they were brand new. They still have the original tag on it. This is the original tag it comes with. I don't know the brand. It says D Blossom Collection, so probably like some fashion over heels, some cheap heels. But these are them. They're so cute. Baby, this is a heel. This is a heel. This is not for rookies. This is a heel. So yeah, I've been wearing heels since I was a little girl. Like, I practiced in my mother's heels, but my mother never had high heels. I was always one of them girls that knew how to walk in heels. Daisy knew who she was from a young age. I always knew how to walk in heels, baby. I was never that girl tripping, tumbling. My feet may hurt, but I ain't never gonna be on that ground. Cross my fingers because I'm talking. Next thing you know, I'll be unfair when I put some heels on. But yeah, I'm one of them girls that know how to walk in heels. Like, I know I gets busy in the heels, okay? My feet gonna be killing me though. But these is them. It has a strap. You know, hold on. It has this strap. It goes across. It makes like an X. See, the strap makes an X, and then you just buckle it here. These are so cute. So cute. Can't wait to wear these. They are like a patent leather. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they are a leather material. I cannot wait to wear these. I just cannot wait. They like I said, I know I have some outfits for this. I don't know exact which outfit, but I know for a fact I will have something. If you guys have some outfit ideas, you guys can always leave outfit ideas, collections, boutiques, places that like I can get cute dresses from, or just cute like go out clothes from, or just anything. If you guys ever want to share that in the comments, please do put me on. So yeah, these are them. I'm so excited to wear these though. These next pair is a pair that I wanted, and I like waited a little bit and I got them for cheap. I got these for under $5. If you guys watch one of my thrifting vlogs, I got these. These are by Steve Madden. These are Steve Madden. Steve Madden heels are uncomfortable as ever. His shoes are uncomfortable, cute as ever, but they are uncomfortable. I think these were $4. They were 75% off of like $15.99, I think, or $12.99. I can't remember the exact price, but they were 75% off, and I paid under $5 for them. These are so cute. They're pink. Babe, I don't know, this is just the cutest heel ever. It just gives like going to the disco. It just gives Elle Woods. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it's so multifaceted. Like, you definitely could wear these heels so many places, so many ways. So cute. And then it has a strap that goes around your ankle, so you have ankle support. It's just so cute. At first I saw them and I think they were like 25% off, and then I went back a couple days later, nobody had bought them, and they were 75% off. So I said, okay, yeah, this is the cheapest they're gonna be, and they were definitely under $5. So I was like, you can't beat this. They're so cute. Steve Madden. Like, this is so cute. Like, I don't know, it looks like kind of like a lipstick heel to me. I don't know. Do you guys remember those shoes? I had that in my room when I was growing up, but I had like a heel shoe. It was like a heel chair. That's what this looks like to me. Like, it's so perfect. The silhouette is so beautiful. So yes, I can't wait to style these. I definitely want to pull these out during the summer. This pretty pink color. But one thing about me, I don't care what the occasion is, where I'm going. If I want to wear something, I'm gonna wear it. I don't care the season, the weather, I'm gonna wear it. But I do want to wear these because pink is my favorite color, so I do want to get some wear out of them really soon. But I'm gonna wear them regardless. But these are so cute. These are real cute. Next pair I got, this is so cute. They were cheap. These are a size, I know the devil's a lot. They say a 7.5, but I don't think these are a 7.5. I think they're 8.5. Hold on. Yeah, they're 8.5. The tag has it wrong, but they're 8.5. I got these at a thrift. They were $7. Hold on, let me show y'all the tag. Do y'all see that? $7.49. These are them. They're so cute. The brand is Betsy Johnson, and they have like these tassels. These are so cute. These are so cute. And then like they have like balls on them, and you like it has like a shoestring tie up in the back. You see like the shoelaces, and you tie it up. This is so cute. And this is size 8.5 in women, and they fit me perfectly. My feet are not hanging off, anything of that sort. The heel is this like striped black and white. So cute. It's such a unique shoe, so different. They were $7.49, and I do believe they were like 25% off, or maybe even 50% off. So yeah, I got these are so cute. And when I like reverse Google search them, they do have these in black, and I was hoping I could get my hands on a black pair. But yeah, this purple pair, like this magenta, is giving Barney. This magenta color is to die for, very cute. And then it has all of these pretty colors in the fringes, and it has like this paper tassel material. I don't know if you're saying, it's like a papery material. Like, it has all of these pretty colors. Like, I cannot wait to wear these. They're so cute. This heel is thin. It's not as high as the rest of them, but it is a little thin. I do be wobbling a little bit. Like, I do feel a little wobbly, but I get it together quick. I recover quick, okay? But I cannot wait to wear these. They're real cute. And they were literally $7.49. Like, come on, you can't beat this. Thrifting, you will find some cute finds, and you will not find these anywhere else. Like, even when I tried to search online, I did not see this colorway. I saw the black colorway, and I do believe a red colorway, but I did not see this pretty magenta color, like this purple magenta color. I did not see this. So yeah, now we are down to the last pair. This is my most recent pair. I literally got them this week, this past week actually. They are from Goodwill. They were $5. The brand is Madden Girl. this is what they look like. These are so cute. They're like this cute snake skin. It's a slingback, so it goes behind your ankle. I mean, behind your foot. It doesn't tie up, but it is a slingback class. Perfect. These are a size 10, I believe, 9.5 or 10, and it has like your toe exposed. Oh, this is so cute. It gives like 2000s, you know, like growing up when club culture looks so fun. I've never been clubbing, but club culture looks so fun, and people used to have like the cute bandage dresses, these high heels with the toe out, a little peekaboo toe. I just think this is so cute. It has a black heel. This heel is higher than some people's standards, okay? This is high. This is really high. Like, this heel is high. Like, it's from shoulder to ear. Like, it's a little high. Or maybe my shoulders are just big. I don't know. But this is freaking high. Like, I can't wait till I love a high heel. Don't give me no kitten heel, babe. I be talking to my mother about this. Don't give me no kitten heel, babe. This is a heel. Don't give me no kitten heel. Because at that point, what are you gonna do with this? Like, this little kitten heel, what you gonna do with that? Nothing that small can give you pleasure. Like, I promise you. It's no reason for you to have that little heel. Like, what's the purpose of that? What's the purpose of that, for real? Just put on some sandals. Just put on some flats. But yeah, I love a heel. I love a heel. And I'm not that tall. I'm 5'5", so the doctors say. But if you ask me, I'm NBA height. 6'1". 6'1", honey. I don't care what that little chart at the doctor say. But yeah, those are my heels, y'all. Those are my heels. I love heels. I've loved heels since I was a little girl. I don't know. I just always loved heels. I just feel like I just feel so cunt and so like bad bitch in some heels. Like, I don't know. My feet be killing me. My feet do be killing me. Gotta pack a pair of flats. But it's all about the look, babe. We have to execute the look. So yeah, I love me some heels. I've been going on a heel craze lately. Maybe because I'm about to hit my mid-20s. I'm about to be 25, and I just want to get grown. I'm tired of being cutie patootie, and I want to get grown and sexy. I don't know, but I feel like I always be cutie patootie. But that's neither here nor there. But I've been on a little heel craze. So I've been thrifting some heels, buying some heels, brand new. So yeah, stay tuned for any more heel videos. Comment down below your favorite pair. Put me on to some new brands, some new heels. Let me know in the comments. Talk to me, have a conversation. I want to thank you guys for being here. I want to thank you guys for watching. And yeah, thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, please. Follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with a flower name. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.